Hi, y'all. I am going walking again. Little girl. I'll be back. Meow, meow. Watch out, cat. Meow, meow. They're hungry. Out of feed. Out of feed. Can't even walk hardly. She's pregnant again. Oh, I forgot. I need to get a container to put those things in. Let me get a container. Out. Move, little girl. I need a container. Put those things in. Let's see if I can find something somewhere. I'll use that. Move, kitties, move. Move. God, I might not go walking after all if they're going to get right in my way. Move. I don't have anything to give them. Move, kitty. Oh, watch out. I guess they're going to follow me all the way around. Yeah, we got something, but get it later. Watch out. Move. See how dry it is? Nope. Watch out. All that I accomplished today was I washed the dishes. That's all I accomplished. Move, cat. Dang. Dang it. Dang it. Well, I hoped that I would get that mint planted in a pot today, but I didn't get that done. You know what I did? I sat there in my chair most of the day and looked at videos about ADHD. And that explains a lot. Well, I'm going to go ahead and grab some rocks here, if I can. Grab up the rocks. Just a few. Go ahead and get one more. I'm going to need more than this. got hot today. Really hot. Look at the trash. Oh, it's awful. Look at the trash. Oh. I didn't notice that yesterday. Now right over here is where them screws are that I want to get picked up. Right in here. Here we go. I'm going to pick them all up so these won't go in the road and people's tires. Throw them away at the house. Just a bunch of them. See, those are good screws, as far as I know anyway. They just dumped this stuff right out here next to the road. Them little nails. These come in handy sometimes for hanging pictures. Oh, there's so many of them. There's so dang many. My God, there's too many. There's just too damn many of them. I'll be out here all night picking these up. Oh God, it's too much. Look at that. Yeah, those people moved out. They left mattresses. There's trash out here. Work now. Look at the trash. Oh. They need to sweep the streets, get the grass and the dirt out of the streets. I mean, look at all the trash. Gosh, it's awful. Well, I'm gonna go walk down this way. I dug through some containers and pulled out a little bit of sewing material. I should be getting that other halter top pattern in any time now. So I'll have two different patterns to use. husband had a long work day yesterday, and then today. Get out of the road so they can get by. Something's burning over there. Look at that smoke. Wonder what the heck. Wonder what's burning over there. Can y'all see that smoke? Oh, there's not supposed to be anything burning right over there. Stickers are stuck to my shoes. One of these days, maybe I'll walk as far as another block over. I just may do that one of these days. Have to start out earlier. Oh, look at this beautiful bird feather. Look at that. I always blow on them in case there's a you know, lash or something on them. That's pretty. Well, there's another one, smaller one. Look where the gophers, see these little mounds? Look at the holes, those are gophers. Gopher diggings. What is burning over there? Smoke's going away, so I guess a temporary fire of some kind. So you can barely see any smoke on the sky over there. So, I think I'll walk on this side of the street just for the heck of it. Get over here. old house. Big old trees. Look how interesting this place is. Interesting. Century plant. Once they bloom, then they die. Huh. Yep, this is old part of town. Well, see this dirt in the road? They need to do something about these streets. I'm gonna go ahead and get over here, back over. Look at it. Looks horrible, don't it? Well, I guess that's about it for now. Ain't got nothing else to talk about. Those people are still working on that house. This is an old adobe house too. They've been putting lots of work in on it. It's an older couple, kind of older, middle-aged. Okay. Okay. Who's that? Somebody on a motorcycle. Try to get over here. Now, here we are. Back at the house. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow. Get over here. Okay. That was it for the walk, y'all. That was it. Meow. 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 Kitty, kitty, kitty. For those hungry kitties. Okay. Bye.